Right. And there's got to be some elements to it, right? Where I've been in various elements of the fire protection industry for a couple of years, right? But now being on this side of things and having the interactions that I have with engineers and specifiers, installers, and even some manufacturers that we work with, it to me has become very clear that it the products always worked very well, right? And that was, the intent of the engineers, like you mentioned, John Owens and Paul Rivers, and that the whole team behind these products and the molecules that made them. They obviously set out to build the best, most long lasting products that they could that delivered the quality that customers really wanted. But it never was about the fluid, right? It was the support and the back end behind it, especially when we look at the fire industry. And we can talk a little bit more about the engineered fluids industry, which is evolving and developing even today, right? And very
Yes,
recently.
yes, it is.
The fire protection industry lends us an interesting perspective of, ultimately we sell fluids that go into systems that we really hope never have to go off, but when they go off, they need to work. But in that interim between when a fluid is installed into a system to that time where a discharge happens, the continued support, the continued engagement that we have with those customers, making sure that we're answering all the questions they may have, making sure that we're there to contact whenever they need it. And I think it's just very interesting to me how, yes, on the surface we sell products, right? But we're a service provider for whatever the industry may need, for whatever help we have.